Yo guys, it's of course no one else than yours truly, Alexandrus, and we are back with a new video from MEXC guys. And as you might know, I push, updates about each new MEXC event, so today it's no different. We will discuss the Ethena or ENA Extravaganza 1 million prize pool event. So before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can jump into this video, guys. So as you know, MEXC, pretty much amazing exchange to get started on. They have all the features you need and they are very user friendly. It doesn't matter whether you are a new trader or experienced one. On MEXC you have everything. You know, crypto is complicated, you can keep it easy with MEXC guys, and they are doing a lot of these cool events. So yes, they are like, I think, one of the most rewarding exchanges actually, and the fact that they have all those collaborations is pretty amazing, because you can always make some extra money by just trading on MEXC or staking or other stuff. So yeah, this time it's Ethena guys. So they are offering this new $1 million prize pool alongside zero fee trading and high yield staking opportunities. This ends on November 20, so you still have quite some time, well, what am I saying? Quite some time to act. Yes. So Ethena also has been performing pretty well lately, and I think it's you know, pretty cool that they are unlocking all of those opportunities to trade it, to stake it, and many more. So yeah, let's talk about this event, right? So first things first, event number one guys is zero fees on ENA trading. So you can enjoy zero fees on ENA to USDT, to USDC, to USDE spot trading, as well as USDT and USDC to ENA, obviously, futures trading throughout the whole event period. So zero fee trading might not be available in certain countries or regions. Like, you need to make sure that you are eligible first, but probably you will be. Second one is ENA Spinfest. Complete tasks on the event page to earn spin chances. Each spin gives you a shot at exciting prizes from $100,000 reward pool, and you can join it here, so that's pretty cool. Another one, which is always my personally favorite thing on those events, is up to 600% APR staking. You can stake ENA during the event period, right? New users can stake between 170 and 500 ENA for 3 days to earn 600% APR. All users can stake between 170 and 100,000 for 5 days with a 12% APR. This participation though requires completion of advanced KYC verification. Rewards are limited and distributed on a first come, first served basis, okay? So that's basically that. Another one, this is also great if you're a trader. You can deposit and trade spot to share 80,000 USDT, new user exclusive. So during the event, you can make a net deposit of 120 ENA or 100 USDT or 100 USDC and achieve a total ENA spot trading volume of at least 100 USDT to receive 10 USDT. And this is fully free, limited to 8,000 users, also first come, first served. You can also get an extra 20 USDT when you complete the deposit requirements through fiat or P2P. So that's pretty much $30 for free, just like that, you know. Then boost spot trades and share 20,000 USDT during the event. You can trade ENA on spot and reach a total trading volume of 10,000 USDT to qualify for a share of 20,000 USDT. Rewards will be distributed proportionally based on your valid trading volume. The more you trade, the greater your rewards. The maximum individual reward is 1,000 USDT in this particular case. You can also trade futures to share 200,000 USDT in futures bonus. So if you are an advanced trader, that's pretty cool, because users who trade at least 10,000 USDT in ENA futures during this event will be eligible for 2 tasks, right? New futures users can earn milestone-based bonuses from 100,000 USDT pool on a first-come, first-served basis, while all users with high cumulative trading volumes can compete on the leaderboard for another 100,000 USDT. Rewards from both tasks can be combined. Zero fee trades do not count toward valid volume, so that's also something to keep an eye out for. Well, that's basically that. Obviously, they also have the referral program, which is pretty rewarding. So if you want, you can also refer your friends and get nice rewards from that. And they have new user welcome gifts. As you can see, you can sign up on MEXC and unlock up to $10,000 in rewards to kickstart your trading journey. So they are really rewarding exchange. They have this staking as well. Here it is. Well, I have an existing account, so I don't have this promotional one, but still 10 to 15%, that's a pretty good APR. They also have that on USDT, guys, so it's pretty nice. If you want to check out MEXC, if you want to check out this Ethena event, make sure to follow the links in the description of this video so you don't miss it. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I mean, you really like those MEXC events, so I'm gonna push all the new ones. Whenever something new happens, I'm gonna be the first one to let you know, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.